He's after something.
See if he gets it.
I see the
Grouse?
the grouse. There's grouse right in front of that weed.
Yeah, I got it.
I see the head of the grouse.
So the grouse is right there. Should just open the door, shoot the grouse.
Oh shit. He's not looking at that grouse.
There's probably more in there.
Oh, you little shit.
Shoot the grouse, Ross.
That may not be a grouse. Oh, he's sitting down. There goes. What did he go after?
That grouse that ran across the road.
I didn't see it.